Take a deep breath with me. In and out. Life at its core is full of experiences, full of meaning, full of moments that shape you in ways you often can't understand until much later. But here's the truth: this fullness is not something you can chase. It isn't found outside of you, waiting for you to grab it. Instead, it awakens inside of you, often after you have been stripped down to your most vulnerable self. When life breaks your heart, your first thought might be that your capacity has diminished, that you are weaker, smaller, less able than before. But in reality, heartbreak often expands you. The heart that has loved and lost is the heart that knows love more deeply. Think about it. It is often the people who have experienced profound loss who also radiate profound compassion. The ones who have been broken are the ones who hold others gently. The ones who have been disappointed are the ones who know how precious hope truly is. This is the paradox of being human. The pain that seems to diminish you is often the very thing that grows you into greater boldness. Life reveals itself through contrast. You only truly understand light when you have stood in darkness. You only cherish peace after you have lived through storms. You only feel the beauty of love when you have risked the ache of its loss. This is why we are challenged, why we are asked to walk through hardship. Not because life wants to punish us, but because growth requires contrast. Gratitude requires perspective. Fulfillment requires a depth that comfort alone cannot give. You don't truly appreciate what you have never had to work for. You don't truly understand the answers to questions you have never dared to ask. Fullness isn't a passive. It doesn't arrive while you sit on the sidelines. It comes when you step into the arena, when you engage, when you risk, when you allow yourself to be seen, when you allow yourself to love, even if it might break you. And here's the deeper truth: every challenge you have faced, every loss you have endured, every time you thought your life had been diminished, those were the very moment life was expanding your capacity, teaching you more about love, more about strength, more about yourself. Here your challenge of the day. Today, take 5 minutes to write down one way a past hardship expanded you. Ask yourself, what did that experience teach me about love, compassion, resilience, or gratitude? When you see how life has grown you, you begin to understand that even in your deepest breaking, there was an invincible fullness being planted inside of you. So, if you feel emptied right now, please remember, emptiness is often the space where fullness is born. Your heartbreak is not your ending, it's your expansion. Your struggle is not your diminishment, it's your initiation. Life is not just happening around you, it is awakening within you, asking you to step in, to open, to live deeply. the fullness. Breathe out. Trust the process. Life's invincible fullness is already inside of you.